The Wine Hub is a business management operating system that makes it easier for wine merchants, retailers, and importers to realize their potential. From the dashboard, you can see an overview of your business, with graphs showing your total purchases, sales, and margin, with the option to filter by various dates as well as by the sales manager. There are also tables showing the value of your stored wines, as well as the value of the wines you store for your clients should you do so. This high-level tour of the Wine Hub is designed as a short introduction. If you'd like a more in-depth demo for your business, please contact us and we would be happy to arrange one. As we go through this demo, we will cover the workflow of purchasing wine into the hub, managing the various stock types that a wine business might use, setting selling prices and adding rich content to your stock, selling it through the various sales channels the hub supports, and finally creating and utilizing the reporting capabilities of the hub. There are a number of other features in the hub, such as setting up email templates, creating custom charges and storage invoices, as well as integrations with accounting packages that we can cover in a more detailed demo. Before we dive into the various features that the hub has to offer, it is important to look at the hub's data import capabilities. From the data import page, you can import a number of different data types such as clients, suppliers, client reserves, as well as third-party stock. One of the first key features of the hub is its workflow. The hub is sector-specific, meaning that the workflows are adapted to wine retail and distribution. When raising a purchase order, the color-coded workflow separates the different stages of the purchase order, each with various options as to what you can do. The platform is underpinned by a large referential wine database and Livex's Elwin IDs. When adding wines to your order, you can begin to type the name of the wine and select from a drop-down of possible options. If the wine is not in the list, create a custom wine to be used again should you need to. Alternatively, if you purchase wine from the same supplier, you can use the history feature to select from a list of the wines you have previously ordered and add them to your new purchase order. As you work through your purchase order, you can mark each stage as complete or skip a stage if it is not applicable. As you'll see later on, the same intuitive workflow management underpins the sales ordering process and shipping. Once you complete the purchase order, it will turn from the blue pending color to a green completed stage. The hub supports many types of stock holding models. The inventory and wine entries page shows your own stock, giving you details as to what you have in stock, net stock, as well as how many bottles are on sales and purchase orders. From here, you can tag your wines, bulk update the price, as well as mark them for sale by using the bulk update feature. All you need to do is use the search functionality and then select the wines you want. Then, using the select field, bulk process all the selected wines in one go. Along with managing your own stock, the hub allows you to manage multiple sources of supply, including Livex, third-party stock, and private collections. From within any of the tabs in Stock Management, you can click on the wine name to bring up the wine detail page. This provides a more detailed overview of your product, including stock levels, average cost prices, as well as a list of the purchase and sales orders the product is on. From this page, you can also set the selling price on various sales channels. The pricing pop-up allows for multi-channel selling in the hub, giving you the option to set the price based on margin, as well as limit the number of bottles sold. Rich content is mastered in the hub, such as bottle shots, labels, condition images, reviews and scores, drinking dates, tasting notes, and recommendations. This can be found from the wine detail page by clicking on the wine profile icon in the top right-hand corner. This information can then be fed into your web shop and be viewed by clients. Selling wine, whether via your integrated e-commerce platform, traditional account management selling, or brokering your client wines, they all follow the same workflow process in the hub. The latter allows you to sell directly from the client wines list page, using the bulk select feature to choose the wines you want to sell and process them in one go. This creates a sales order for the client buying the wine, as well as automatically generating a purchase order for the client who you are brokering the wine for. The hub also handles the shipment of your orders, allowing you to group together purchase orders, sales orders, and withdrawal requests into one shipment and batch process it. Following a similar workflow to sales and purchase orders from within your shipment, you can bulk reconcile when the wines have arrived on a purchase order, send a confirmation to the shipper, and then mark the linked sales order as shipped. Finally, the reporting tool in the hub provides you with a number of standard reports created by us for best business practices. As well, it allows you to create your own, schedule the date and time you want it to be run, and send it directly to your email address. The Wine Hub is a sector-specific business operating platform that has the potential to transform the efficiency of your business and connect you to sources of supply and digital sales channels. The Wine Hub gives you the possibility to shape your own network of partners, grow existing relationships, create new ones, and reach a wider and more diverse addressable market.